A very good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my English online class. So, children, take out your English book and page number 13. In our last class, we have already learned about the letter D. Okay? So, today we are going to learn a new lesson. The name of this lesson is E. What is the letter? E. Capital E and small e. What is the letter? Capital E and that one is small e. Okay. So, here you can see some objects are given. These objects are starting with the letter E. Okay. And you can say these are the objects of E. Okay. So, first one is E says E, as in elephant. First one is elephant. E for elephant. 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 E for elephant. Okay. Next one is Eskimo. 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 Eskimo means a man or a woman or a child. They are wearing fur covering from head to toe in a freezing world of snow. Or you can say Eskimo are snowmen and they live in the snow-clad land. Okay. जो बर्फ की ठंडी दुनिया में सीट से सर से पाँव तक फर ढकने वाला आदमी और एक महिला और एक बच्चा भी हो सकता है। वो कहाँ रहते हैं? वो बर्फ की ढकी भूमि में रहते हैं। ठीक है। उसको हिममानव कहा जाता है। Eskimos are snowman. Okay. Next picture is egg. EGG, egg. What is the name of this picture? Egg. E for egg. Next object is elbow. ELBOW, elbow. Name of this body parts is elbow. ELBOW, elbow. The name of this body parts is elbow. Okay. Next one is elf. ELF, elf. It is an imaginary small creature. It looks like a human. It's look like a human and it has 2 long ears. Here you can see it has 2 long ears. And did you know, children? It has magical power. The name of this creature is elf. ELF, elf. Okay. Next picture. Engine. ENGINE, engine. Did you see engine? Yes. In train we see engine. ENGINE, engine. Next picture is exist. EXIT, exist. Okay, exit. EXIT, exit. E for elephant. E for Eskimo. E for egg. E for elbow. E for elf. E for engine. E for exit. Okay. Elephant spelling ELEPHANT, elephant. Next one is Eskimo. ESKIMO, Eskimo. EGG, egg. ELBOW, elbow. ELF, elf. ENGINE, engine. EXIT, exit. Okay. move to the next page. Here you can see how to write E. Okay, capital E, then small e. E for egg and E for engine. So your first question is trace and write. Here you can see, first we have to trace the letter E. So first you have to draw one standing line. Okay, next a slipping line, again a slipping line, and again slipping line makes the letter capital E. Again one standing line, one slipping line, another slipping line, and last slipping line makes the letter E. Again you have to write just like me. Write capital E. Finished. Next, how to write small e. One slipping line, then a curve makes small e. Look how I am writing. You have to write in your book. Okay. Next question. You can see, circle the picture that begin with E. Some pictures are given here. Now we have to identify those pictures. These are begin with E, small e. Okay. So first picture is, what is this? Eskimo. Yes, the picture is Eskimo. So Eskimo is starting with the letter E. Okay. So circle the picture Eskimo. Next, what is this? What is this? Pot. P-O-T, pot. Is pot begin with the letter E? No. Next picture is notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook. Is this picture begin with the letter E? No. This one, this arrow is showing our elbow. No. So yes, elbow is starting with the letter E. So circle the picture. Next one is engine. Yes, E for engine. Next picture is ship. S-H-E-E-P, ship. Is ship start with the letter E? No, don't circle. Next picture is elf. E-L-F, elf. Is elf start with the letter E? Yes. Elf. Then color the boxes with E, capital E or small e. Now what we have to do? Some boxes are given. Okay, here some boxes are given, and in this box we have to find where is capital A and where is small e. In this box we can see small e, small e, small e. Now what we have to do? We have to color the boxes. Here you can see I have colored the boxes with E or E. Okay. Next, in this box capital E is there, so color the boxes. Next, small e's are there. I have already colored the boxes. Next, these two boxes are marked for you. Okay, you have to done in your book. Next question. Say the name of the picture and write capital E and small e below them. Now what we have to do? First we have to say the name of the picture. What is the name of this picture? Eskimo. What is the name of this picture? Eskimo. So what we have to write here? First we have to write a small e, capital E, then a small e. Okay. Next picture. This arrow is showing us our elbow. So here again you have to write a capital E, then a small e. Then what is the name of this picture? Yes, elephant. So first we have to write capital E, then a small e. Next picture. This picture, what is the name of this picture? Elf. A capital E and a small e. Next picture. What is this? Egg. Capital E and a small e. And last picture, the name of this picture is engine. Okay, children? Now, here you can see one question is given. Write name of the picture that begin with E. Okay? Now, what we have to do? You have to identify the name of the picture first. It looks like an egg. Okay? It starts with the letter E. So, you have to write the name of the picture that begin with E. This picture is starting with the letter E. So what is the name of this picture? Egg. E-double-G, egg. Okay, children? This one you have to write in your copy. That's all for today. Take care and bye-bye.